Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Internet Guru. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to create a seller account on Eldorado.gg. So, let's get started. First, open the Eldorado website and create an account. Once you've signed up, you'll see a page like this. Click on the profile icon, then select the Sell option, and after that, click on Account. Next, click on Seller Verification. In step 1, click Next. Then, select your account type and click Next again. Choose New Seller and click Next. Enter your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, city, street address, and postal code, then click Next. Upload a photo and click Next. Finally, upload another photo and click Submit. And that's it. Your seller account has been successfully created. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from another Internet Guru.